Hello friends, myself Sumit Pokharna. I track oil and gas sector with Kotak Securities. Today I will be sharing the key industry demand from the upcoming Union Budget. Union Budget plays a very crucial role so far the oil and gas sector is concerned, as it directly impacts the profitability of upstream companies, which includes your ONGC, Oil India and GAIL. And on the downstream companies, we have BPCL, HPCL and IOC. Brent crude is currently trading at $120 per barrel. Rupee is trading at $53-54, which is significantly high, and cumulative they are impacting fiscal deficit significantly. Recently, the Finance Minister has asked Petroleum Ministry to look into pricing of diesel and other retail products to export parity price. The key benefit out of this will be that there will be a reduction of under recovery by around 18,000 to 20,000 crore rupees, which will lower the fiscal deficit burden on government. However, this will impact the refineries, which includes your PSUs and privates. Industry is demanding not to transfer from trade parity price to export parity price, but we believe that government is going to do this in this Union Budget, as government does not get any revenue out of this, but they have to shell out subsidy burden on this. Industry is demanding for a 5% duty cut on imported RLNG. In the last budget, the government has reduced crude oil duty from 5% to 0%. Our take on this is that looking at the current fiscal deficit, government is not going to do this in this budget. Till 31st March 2012, government used to give 7-year tax holiday to upcoming refineries. However, post that there are no such benefits available. We believe that those refineries which are coming in 12th 5-year plan, government can give a 7-year tax holiday to those refineries. So this is positive for downstream sector, which are companies specifically which are planning to expand their capacity. Now coming to the sector view, we believe that currently crude is trading at a significantly high level along with weak rupee. This all turns out to be significantly positive for upstream exploration company. However, the benefit goes mainly to private exploration companies, as they do not have to shell out any subsidy burden. Our top pick remains Cairn India in the upstream sector, as they do not have to shell out any subsidy and they get full realization for their crude sales. In the midstream sector, we like Petronet LNG, which is going to benefit with the capacity expansion plans.